Hey guys, Machines ML here. Just wanted to show you this John Deere rider tractor mower I picked up the other day. It's a 345 model. It's got the 2-cylinder liquid cooled. I think that's a Kawasaki or Kohler. K-series, Kohler. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Got this from a friend of mine that runs a equipment sales business, and someone traded this in because the deck pulley broke. This idler pulley right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it broke right there. You can see where it's torn out of the deck, and it's leaned forward and it's carved into the deck there. So I guess they called the guy up and said they wanted to buy a new machine because they wanted to replace this machine. And my buddy sold him a zero-turn, a Toro zero-turn, and he told the guy just to take this away. So I ended up with it. Not going to say what it cost because no one's going to believe me. It was actually part of a trade deal for a rototiller. I'll link the rototiller video at the end of this video. So we got this. I put a new battery in it today. Brand new, but the hood's kind of broken, guys. See here? Got a big crack there, and this part is broken off. So that's not good, but whatever, we can deal with that. We put a new battery in it today. There it is right there. That cost $140, and it starts and runs and drives. The deck's hydraulic. It lifts and lowers hydraulically, which is kind of neat. And it's also got the blower, the bagger blower on the side there. It's missing the pipe, this pipe that connects the two together. I priced that out. It's about $150, and it's also missing the bags. I priced them out and they were about $80 each. So I'm gonna have to spend some money on this one, guys, but I think that this will probably sell in the $200 to $3,500 range when I'm done, and the trade value on it was pretty much nothing. So it was good machine to acquire. 18 horsepower V-twin. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that today, guys. I'm gonna take that deck off and repair the damage, and I think it's missing a bushing right here, because this is the pulley. That's the bottom of it. So this bolt goes up through the deck, and the pulley sits on that bushing, but you can see it only comes through about halfway, and there's supposed to be this piece on top like that. I think there's a bushing missing. I've got parts diagram for this, so I will consult with the parts diagram. I'm gonna order up the chute and the bags, and I'm gonna get some vinyl, some green John Deere vinyl tape, and I'm gonna fix this up as best I can, and I'll make another video of it doing some mowing, and I'm gonna post it up for sale. Get it out of the shop. It's too big, don't have room for it, and this thing needs to be at work at somebody's cottage or farm property. It's got, what was it for hours? 1,483 hours, so about 1,500 hours on it, guys. It didn't come with keys, but I found a set that worked. Let's see if it'll start for us again. The key kind of fits in there. Not very good, but it did work. Now it's not going to work now because I got the camera going. Oh, there it goes. Needs a carb clean. It surges a little bit. I think it's been sitting in their yard for a year or two. But I'm going to clean this baby up and make another video of it when it's all done with the repairs and parts, and we're going to post it up for sale. Hit the subscribe button so you can see the next one on this guy. Thanks for watching.